이게 그 단 뭐시기였는데
단청이다.
단청.
반갑소들.
더 오랫동안 간직해 주셨습니다.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm starting this vlog a little bit late today. I mean, because usually I start vlogging when I have breakfast, but I'm about to head out in about 30 minutes because I am going to have a sleepover at my sister's place for a night. So for someone who prefers being alone and staying at home, I am surprisingly excited for this sleepover. We have planned a couple of really simple things to do together, so you can see what we have planned in this vlog. So I've actually taken the day off because I've just been feeling so down and stressed. So yeah, this is basically one of the things that I have planned and implemented to like basically help me feel better. I also did my nails yesterday night. So if you know me, you'll know that I never do things like that. Like I usually go for very simple looks, no design, just one plain color, but yesterday I decided to have some fun and just put on more colors on my nails, and I actually really like it. You can do your things, Ed.
Okay, so you watched what that time? The first episode only? Some pills or what? Oh, really? Yeah, then her voice also becomes lower. Oh. Yeah, so it's like imagine she doing that thing. I just summarize for you like,
Beginner friendly yoga class. My name is Jessica, and today we'll be doing these poses for a full body stretch. Getting started in
No cappuccino.